So question 4. The switch is closed at time t equals to 0. The time after which the rate of dissipation of energy in the resistor is equals to the rate at which the energy is being stored in the inductor is. So these are the options that L into 1 by 2 L into 1 by 4 log 2 2 log 2 L into. So let's see the solution. So we have the given equation, we have the equation like we have applied after the Kirchhoff law. We have solved this equation, that is current equals to E upon R 1 minus E minus RT by E की power minus RT by L. So this is the equation. So we will first differentiate with respect to time. We'll get the E by L, E minus T by torque, where we have denoted torque upon L by R, and I square R equals to L di by dt, and in the next step E by R will be into R 1 minus E minus 1 T by torque, and that will be equals to L E by L into E की power minus T by torque. And after solving this equation we'll get 1 equals to T 2 E की power minus E T by torque. So we'll get ln 2 equals to T by torque, and we have to calculate the time, that will be T equals to torque ln 2. So ln 2 will be the answer for this equation. So it's all based on this equation. We have applied this equation, and by differentiating and evaluating both sides we'll get the ln 2 as the answer.